Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am playing around making some tags today. So I started with this tag here. It's just a brown craft card, and I stamped it on the background. And I used this stamp, and I got it off of Amazon, I believe. But it's just a bunch of scribbles. Makes for a nice background. And then I had a piece of, this is scrapbook paper that I used in my fall journal. And then below this lace, I have some of this orange kind of see-through ribbon. And I think I got this at Hobby Lobby, I think. And then I put this vintage lace on top of it. And then I have this fun little knitting, and I thought it would be neat to kind of string a few rows of this on top of that. And then I have this little stamp sticker. This is from Your Creative Studios, the August box, I believe. And I thought I'd put that there. I'm trying to decide. I have I kind of ripped out this leaf from a piece of scrapbook paper, but then I also have this fun little mushroom sticker. So I'm trying to decide which one I want to put there, and then I'm trying to decide if I want to put this butterfly on here. It's a wooden button, and I don't know if I want to kind of put it there or put it there or have it instead of the stamp. So still kind of trying to work through all of that. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. So I'm going to be making a few tags here, and I'll have y'all join along with me. So let me do a little close-up of this tag so you can get a better look at it. So I need to decide if I'm going to go with the mushroom or the leaf. And I suppose I could make two of them and do the mushroom on one and the leaf on the other. So maybe that's what I'll do. So I went with the mushroom, and for the butterfly, I decided to use the wooden side and then just kind of strung it through the hole back here. So I like how that came out. So let's walk you through how I made this tag. First off, I'm going to start with the inking. And again, I'm using the script. If you don't have one of these stamps, you can just take a black pen and just scribble, or brown, and just scribble on there. So start at the top, press down. I don't know if y'all can hear my cat in here. It's so funny when I close the door to the craft room and my cat's not in here, scratches at the door to get in. Alright, so do that, and then I wipe off the excess ink off my stamps. Try to keep them a little clean. And then next up, I just took a piece of this scrapbook paper that was I used in my fall journal, and I'm just gonna add a little piece here. And then I think I want it to be about this height here. And I have to use my cutter. because I cannot cut a straight line for anything. Hope y'all are having a good day. My day's going pretty good so far. My husband and I went for brunch this morning. It was very nice. And then I just glued this on here. And if you wanted to, you could just glue down around the edges and make that a tuck if you wanted to. And then I put a piece of this underneath. Piece of this lace on top of it, and I just went down with my glue stick here and glued that down there. And then where is my lace? I think I put it back. Sorry about that, y'all. My room is getting out of control. I am gonna have to stop for a bit and make some massive cleaning updates because it's not good. Your all's craft room stay a mess. Mine does. And then I'll clean it up, and then I don't want to mess it up. So it's the struggle we have, right? I really wish I could craft every day, all day. That would be my dream. And then I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac on this. And what I did is I just turned this over. And I just put little dabs kind of on the big areas of this lace. Like that. And then I just press it down with my paper towel or kitchen roll, as those across the pond call it. I love that y'all call it kitchen roll. I think that's a better description sometimes. And then I think I'm gonna put a little bit more. So I did about 4 little loops of this, and I think it might be a bit much. I think I'm just gonna do 2 on this one. So I feel like that was a little too much. And so on this, I just put a little bit of glue on each little square here and then flipped it down. So I'll kind of show you, and then I'll stop and do this off camera because it's pretty boring. But yeah, just do a little dab like that. like that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got these glued down, and you know, I glued one side and then I just flipped it over and pressed those down. So I think it looks a little bit better with a little bit less. And then on this one, I am going to do the leaf. I really want to do that. So I'm just gonna put that on with this Scotch Create glue stick. This glue stick, my Fabri-Tac, and my Reptile glue are my 3 favorite glues that I use the most. And I learned about this from the Posh Paper Lady, and then I learned about this from Pam at the Paper Outpost, and Fabri-Tac also from Pam at the Paper Outpost as well. So those are my favorite glues. And the Sugar Bells, I forget who I learned about these from, but these do work nicely. It's a lot easier to squeeze the glue out. So I want to add another one of these. So I need to find where they are. Okay. So I don't know if I want to use this one. Let me find the other ones I was thinking about that I used on this one. Oh, I think this was it. Again, this is from Your Creative Studios. And I think these were it. And I think I might use the chipmunk on this one. Check my camera, make sure it's still, yep, it's still in frame. These can be kind of a pain to peel. Ah, got that one pretty good. And I'll try to do up the edges a little bit. There we go, cute little chipmunk. And then on this one, I took a little bit of the Distress Oxide Carved Pumpkin and kind of put that in the background, but I decided to leave this one plain. But that's really easy to do. Just take kind of the foam brush and kind of smoosh it around in the background. I could probably do a little bit here, kind of show you. There. And then on this one, you probably can't see it, but I sprayed it with some water out of this little water bottle here. And I think it might show up better on white cardstock, but it lifts off some of the ink. You can't really see it though on that one. All right, so that's real quick kind of how I made these 2 tags, and I love how they turned out. So I think I will just put this through again, because I think I like the little shimmer that this adds. Oh, and actually I want to do it a little bit different this time. I want to, you know, this actually might have come from the Dollar Tree, now that I think about it. So I'm going to put this through. Open that up and pull that through like that. Tighten it up. There we go. And then it's a little bit long, so trim that off there a little bit. There, I think the ribbon just adds a nice little something to it. Alright, well thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.